Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others around the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Mind segment, we elaborated on the sixth type of learning style, namely the social learning style. In this episode, we analyze the seventh type of learning style, namely the solitary learning style. The nature of solitary learning style. Solitary learning style, also known as intrapersonal learning style, is a learning style that makes an individual to prefer learning independently and to thrive when working or studying alone and on their own. Thus, solitary learners prefer to work best in quiet environments, both in their personal and academic lives. They do not need other people to talk to or to ask questions while learning, but prefer to do and learn things on their own. As a matter of fact, they find other people as distracting when they are trying to learn or complete a project. Solitary or intrapersonal learners are just the opposite of social or interpersonal learners who will enjoy bouncing ideas off other people while learning. Hence, the key to understanding a solitary learner's need is the word independence. Solitary learners come to their own conclusions and solve problems themselves. They enjoy working independently in the process of learning and its accomplishment, and may feel frustrated if they need to do work with someone else before they have finished thinking through their ideas. Since solitary learners enjoy working alone, they tend to have strong self-motivation and self-management skills. They demonstrate this by setting goals and making plans for themselves and spending time in introspection and reflection on what they learn. Solitary learning styles can overlap with other learning styles. For example, a solitary learner also may be a visual, auditory, or any other type of learner. It is easy to identify a solitary or intrapersonal learner. Some of the criteria to spot a solitary learner include thinking about your project or lesson rather than talking through it. Thinking best when not distracted by others. Retreating to a quiet place when it is time to study. Turning down invitation to study in a group. Being introspective and being aware of one's thoughts and feelings. Enjoying a peaceful and quiet moment alone with one's thoughts. Keeping a private log or journal. Being more productive when thinking through problems independently and not discussing a lesson or project until one has processed it alone. Some of the phrases solitary learners use are, I just need to get away from everyone for a while. I need some time to think it over. I need some me time. This is what I think or feel about that. I will get back to you on that and the like. Strengths of solitary learners. We briefly consider some of the strengths of persons who use solitary learning style. Solitary learners are self-motivated and independent. They enjoy independent work, able to focus their thoughts and feelings on a topic undistracted, self-reflective and analytical, and keep private journals to record their thoughts and feelings. They are comfortable with time alone. They are introspective, prefer to spend time alone, know themselves well and think independently. Solitary learners take a problem-solving approach. Faced with problems, solitary learners retreat to solitude to work through possible solutions. They prefer to think through problem before seeking external input. They are goal-oriented and direction-driven. They make plans, set clear goals, and know their direction in life and work. They move to accomplish their goals with confidence. Solitary learners possess excellent self-management skills. They have a strong sense of self, know their strengths and weaknesses, and they manage their life and work situation skillfully and positively. With these traits, those with solitary or intrapersonal learning style can do well in careers where self-management is important, such as authors, researchers, teachers, park rangers, security managers, police officers, and pilots. Strategies for solitary learners. The specific strategies solitary learners can use to learn new information include: first, modeling learning activities. Though solitary learners prefer independent learning, they clarify doubts or information they are not able to figure out by interacting with teachers or instructors. Hence, modeling as a teaching learning strategy would help solitary learners as they are able to work through the problem themselves independently as they follow the model given by the teachers. Second, choosing lecture style instruction. Lecture style instruction helps solitary learners to think through ideas and concepts themselves at their own pace and time, as this teaching learning strategy does not require immediate feedback from the students. Third, choosing independent learning tools. Independent learning tools such as self-taught approach, pre-recorded video and the like would help solitary learners as they do not involve in group interaction and so provide students plenty of time for independent thinking and learning. Fourth, setting new goals and having focused learning objectives would facilitate solitary learners to move unconfused in accomplishing tasks using their self-management skills. Fifth, writing journals or logs can help solitary learners to put their thoughts and ideas together so that at their own pace they can introspect, reflect and think about them and use those ideas to complete their project in the best way. Sixth, note-taking. Note-taking can work as a valuable tool for solitary learners when studying and learning, as the notes taken during lectures can facilitate independent learning by working through the notes taken. Seventh, lab activities and experiments, though done in groups in the classroom setting, are done by the students independently and the conclusions are arrived at apart from the group. Report of lab activities and experiments can help solitary learners to enhance independent thinking and learning. Tips for working with solitary learners. Here are a few tips that can improve your efficiency and communication if you are engaging or working with solitary learners as a teacher or mentor. First, providing private, quiet areas for solitary learners to do their projects would make the solitary learners to feel comfortable while learning. Second, as solitary learners hesitate speaking up, as a teacher, you can ask them questions directly to hear their insights on the topic or idea. Third, solitary learners enjoy setting goals and accomplishing tasks. So to keep them motivated, it is good to give them methods of tracking their progress and checking off tasks. Fourth, as solitary learners, appreciate reflection and introspection. Deepen their understanding by demonstrating how a topic or idea connects to something they have learned previously. Fifth, provide solitary learners learning materials and resources that they can use independently on their own time. Sixth, give solitary learners time to think through concepts and ideas alone before talking about them. Seventh, provide solitary learners independent study options such as reading through notes, completing assignments alone, or memorizing information alone. Eighth, before assigning homework, make sure that everything needed for solitary learners for completing the project or finishing their work on their own. Directing and guiding the solitary learners to use some of the above mentioned strategies, you as a teacher can provide for them a supportive environment that would foster their strengths, help them thrive academically, and to make right career options. In the next episode, we will take up for our study the eighth learning style, namely naturalistic learning style. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.